Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. Hope you guys are doing great. And today is May 2nd and Monday. Um, if you are a new subscriber to this particular channel, or if you're not watched this channel and this is the first video, then check out all the videos. And if you're learning options, then go to this playlist in Smart Trader and check out this playlist videos so that you learn from all the basics and theories and strategies step by step. Okay, or else if you see things from middle, you will not understand. So it is a learning journey. People who learn will understand the difference after some months or years. So these are the videos where you have to go step by step, right? So today the market Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty both were almost sideways. First of all, it opened a gap down, and my prediction, um, there was a support over here 16900, which it could have broken 16900. If 16900 would have broken, then it had a chance of further going down. But if you see morning itself, it sustained in that level and kept going in this particular range. If you see here, and I had taken positions based on this because the market was mostly, if you see, it was sideways and just slowly ranging towards upside. And these are my positions. Everything was going good, and at the end you see a little bit of volatility came into picture. Volume, it broke out from this range, hoping that it goes down, and then a few corrections were made, modifications were made in my orders to sustain this move. But there was a sudden move towards upside at end of the day. The last hour of the trading hour, changed things. There was a sudden spike, and suddenly the position turned to from positive to negative, and I had to book my small loss immediately and close the positions by 3 o'clock. I didn't want it to further widen my loss at end of the day. So at the end of the day, there was a sudden spike, and that's how things changed. On a one-day candle, now Nifty has formed a bullish candle. If you see here, yesterday was a bearish candle, previous day, and today it is a bullish candle. So these were the levels what I was talking about, 16900 levels. If just close this, these are the levels, 16900 levels, which I was talking about, where it was taking continuously the support. And this was a support which almost opened here, and the prediction was like, okay, it has a chance for breakout, but again a good support. This created as a good support, now not breaking the 16900 zone. Okay, if it is breaking again 16900 zone, then again you have the previous levels. Let's say these are the zones which you have around 700 to 600 level, and again then 16000 level. So it has sustained there. Hope it recovers from here towards upside. Doesn't matter for an intraday trader. Maybe the ones who are having their holdings, for them it matters a lot. So that was more about Nifty. Last moment, last end of the day movement came in. That's how things happened in Nifty. In terms of Bank Nifty, again it went sideways, very much sideways. If you see here, it opened gap down, and there was a big spike, and it came and stayed in the same level the whole day. And then end of the day there was a movement. As there was no single side movement, I couldn't take much advantage towards one direction, so I kept scalping in this particular range bound. So these are the few quick scalps I did, because holding on to your position for a longer time in option buying, it'll, your premium will decay. Okay, and for that reason I had to exit my position quickly, because I know that it's gonna stay in the range, and it's until unless it is breaking, it will go up and come down. So your profit which comes can go to negative. So you have to quickly book your profit. So according to market situation, you study the market and react according to it. These are the position. Initially it was a negative of 10,000, and in Nifty I had booked around 2,000 loss and later recovered it. So 1500 2000 8000 totally we booked around 13580, something which we booked. These are the ending trades. So 848, 871 scalped. You can buy at 379 and 393. Last 343 and 354, I just closed my trade, and clocks. That's how I scalped in terms of options buying. So option buying, we ended up with 13,500. Like, the capital is back here. I have a minus of 1,000 here, and 13,500. So close to 6,000 rupees. But 6,000 around is something which will be left with us for today. 1,000 rupees is what we have got for the day. Tomorrow is a holiday, so there won't be too much trading tomorrow. There's no trading. And again, May 4th, LIC, again LIC IPO is there. If you guys are interested in LIC IPO. What is your analysis on it? What is your take on it? LIC IPO. Wanna open? Let me know in the comments. And I'll be posting our learning videos. We have started with our learning videos with strategy number 2 also. Now we will go with strategy 3 and 4. Actually, there are a lot of strategies. I don't want to confuse, because you're gonna get a lot of confusions when you learn. If you don't know the practical, that's the reason I'm showing you some trades in the market. Also, I am teaching you so that you can connect it. You just read, because trust me, when I read the theory, nothing used to go to my head. Only when I started doing practical, that's when I understood what I was reading. So after again doing practical, if you read it again theory, you will understand what exactly the meaning is. So it takes time. Not everyone will understand in one shot. So watch these live trading videos from whichever source you get. Learn from everybody. That's the secret. Okay, if you learn, only you will benefit, right? So learn from everybody, and we'll be posting the option series number 3. That is the strategy number 3 and 4 and all that. So for a holiday, if possible, I will try to post a video tomorrow, learning videos in this week, that you guys can continue learning. And equity, like you guys told, like equity also, I will continue posting learning videos, because beginners who started equity has to continue learning. So I will post equity videos also. So that was more about today. I just wanted to share with you. And in mobile, like you guys told, the screen is very small. Yes, I use my Galaxy Fold. The ratio of the phone is different, not like a normal long phone. It's a boxy phone, like an Instagram box type. The ratio comes, and because I'm using 2 screens next to next, again it looks more small for you guys. So if I enlarge, then you cannot see the side part. That is one challenge. So I didn't record the video with mobile for you guys. I directly came into system after the market is over. Because I'm in the studio, I recorded this video. If I'm not in the studio, I will not be able to record this video. That is one challenge for the daily vlog. But learning video, yes, whenever I free, I will record and post it in the evening if possible. That is not a problem. But these vlog videos, we have to post the same day. Then only you will understand what happened. If I post after 2 days after editing and stuff, you will not even understand what happened in the market. You have seen the market today, and if you see what I have done or what is my thought on the market, you will be able to connect it, or certain terms you are not thought about, you will start thinking about it. That's how you learn from others, market review, market analysis. That's how you improve. The more you talk about something, the more you think about something, get better in it. So that's the secret. So spend some time on these type of videos and learn from every source. See you soon with one more learning video. Till take care, stay safe.